Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share my learning about snake plant, which is also called Sansevieria and mother-in-law tongue. Nowadays we see snake plant everywhere, as it is said that snake plant purifies air by absorbing toxins through the leaves and produces pure oxygen. Snake plant rooting can be done in water as well as soil. To start the process, we need to pluck few snake plant leaves from the existing plant. I got these leaves from one of my friends. Snake plant leaf, first and foremost step is to remove the brown portion from the bottom of the leaves. I have few small pots which I use for such experiments. These were the leaves I potted few days back. One broken cup and one pot was ready with potting mix, so I used them. After planting leaves in pots, I sprayed water on them. I have literally waited for months to complete this video as I wanted to share results along with the procedure. Here is one of the planter I made using plastic bottle, and I have planted Portulaca in it. Now time has come to show results. After 2 months I have taken these leaves out and beautiful roots have been developed. I will put these leaves back in soil to see whether it gets new leaves. If it gets new growth from this, I will share video on that too to see. I got one leaf from nearby garden and I planted it in a plastic container which we usually get while takeaways and home deliveries. Let's check out whether roots have been developed in this. One thing needs to be kept in mind while planting snake plant leaf is that lower end will go in soil. They won't grow if you put top end down in the soil. Let the cut leaf callus over for a few days, then plant each cutting with the right end down in well-drained soil. Here is the result. Leaf has developed roots within 1 month, as this container was kept in good light, which means good light condition plays an important role. Now I will repot it and wait for few more months for further growth. I have 2 pots ready with potting mix with me, but I will select the smaller one as I read somewhere that snake plant do well in small pots. I would like to show you one plant which is the result of propagation. I took a growth from my existing plant and potted in this, and it is growing well in low light conditions as well. Moving on to rooting in water. I had cut ends of leaves in inverted V shape, and I think that's the optional step. You can put these leaves in water as it is. I took vase full of water and put leaves in water to cover the bottom quarter of tissue and placed the container in indirect light situation and changed the water every couple of days. Indirect. Now here is the result of snake plant rooting in water after 2 months. Don't get disheartened if you fail in your first attempt. Even I faced rotting of leaves in my initial attempts, but I kept on trying and succeeded. If you find my videos interesting, subscribe to my channel for latest videos.